Hello everyone. So why can't you edit text in Wix.com? So as you might already know, Wix.com has over 500 templates to use or to choose from. Okay? And most of them are highly customizable. Okay? And the reason why you can still edit text is it is possible that your browser is not compatible with the Wix editor. So you can try using a different browser or contacting Wix support for help. Then check to see if the editor or the text editor is enabled in your site's settings. If it's not, you will need to enable it in order to edit text on your pages. Okay, so if that answers your question, please hit like button and the subscribe button. Thank you very much.